Alright, so this is how long it takes to drill a crash bar when installing GTI Jake's front mount intercooler.
And this is the second hole we're drilling with this drill bit. Not that 2 holes is going to kill it, but yep, definitely want to take the whole front of the car apart to avoid that, boys. What are we at? Just under a minute. So we're 2 minutes into drilling holes. We got the other one over there. I'm gonna chuck up a bigger drill bit and do the final holes. Alright, part 2 here, going up to the bigger drill bit. This is overkill. The bolts are only 8mm. This is probably more like 12, but it's what I have in the fresh bits pile, so
still under a minute, including commentary.
Yeah, and pushing my 4-year-old out of the way so he doesn't get burnt by metal chips. So don't be intimidated by drilling your crash bar. Good bits, low drill speed, and lots of pressure. Don't do chest day before you do this, like I did actually the day I made the install video. Not a good idea, but it's not bad. Just take your time, and it will save you a lot of grief. Alright, so we're installing Dutch's intercooler kit here. Well, my intercooler kit on Dutch's car. So just to show you the satisfying part of building production parts. It doesn't get any better than that as far as fitment. That's how you want that to be. Alright, we've got the intercooler on. We left this charge pipe loose because we're going to be doing a DKM stage 3 windlass clutch in the car tomorrow. So just going to leave that loose for easy access, but we've got everything on there. All the routing's done. So in the morning when I'm fresh and not tired from working last night, we're going to blow it apart and do the clutch, and we'll get some first impressions on the clutch and the intercooler when we're all done.